Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable form submission logging in HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. To disable form submission logging in HubSpot, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the marketing section in the main menu. Hover over marketing to reveal a drop-down menu. Select forms from the drop-down options. You will be directed to the forms dashboard. Find the specific form for which you want to disable submission logging. Click on the name of that form to open its settings. In the Form Settings, locate the Options tab. Click on the Options tab to access form submission settings. Look for an option labeled Log Form Submissions. Uncheck the box next to Log Form Submissions to disable logging. Once you have deselected the option, scroll down to find the Save button. Click on Save to apply your changes. Your form submission logging has now been disabled. Repeat these steps for any other forms where you wish to disable logging. To ensure the changes are effective, test the form by submitting it. Confirm that submission logging is no longer recorded. You have successfully disabled form submission logging in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.